welcome back to RachandBellaCrafts. It's Rachel here. I hope you're all well. Thank you for leaving all your comments on our last video where we've asked what kind of things you would like to see and any tutorials and things that you might like to us to do for you. Some new ideas and one thing and another. So one of the comments that we had was to show different ways in which we can work with the cards, playing cards, because obviously we're doing Alice in Wonderland, and the cards play quite a big part in the one scene, don't they? So I've got two sets of cards here. I've got these tiny little miniature ones here, which are super cute, and then I've got an old set of scenic cards that I can, do something with. So I've done a couple of little not tutorials, that's the wrong word, but I've basically filmed the process videos. So there's a couple of process videos here for you to take a look at, and hopefully you'll find really interesting and helpful, and then I will show you the finished products then at the end. Okay. So you've just seen how I've made these small little miniature cards, and basically, as you saw in the video, I backed them with some with coffee dyed paper, and some of them I backed with one of the backing pages of the kit. Some of them then I've taken over and I've stitched on the machine, and I've used two different colours. I've got red in my bobbin, and I've got a bit of a multicoloured bluey, greeny, yellowy thread on the top, because I thought it would be good if they were all really colourful. So I tried doing some different stitches around them. I did do a bit of a running stitch, but that wasn't quite such a good look. So I went over then to the zigzag. It looks pretty cool on the back though. But the nice thing about these is you can put them in two little pockets or whatever, and then you've got little journaling spots then on the back. Some of them I haven't stitched at all. I've just literally glued them. So again, you've got a nice big journaling space there. Okay, so another way that you can work with cards is obviously to embellish and decorate them. So in this next clip, you'll see how I've embellished my larger cards. hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. So as you could see, what I've simply done again is I've backed each of these with coffee dye paper. I think I did some with, yeah, I did some with coffee dye and some with the kit. But this time I actually used Fabri-Tac to glue these on, because obviously the cards are quite shiny and I was just concerned that the paper might peel off. So I didn't want to stitch these ones. And then obviously I laid some different bits of material out of my scrap bag over the pictures underneath. And then I've used little embellishments then from Natalie's kit to just make them look more Alice-y. So in this one here, you can see we've got a little bit of lace underneath, a bit of material, and then I've just put one of the cards from the kit. And again here, I've just stacked some fabrics underneath, a little bit of lace. So that is the stuff I coffee dyed yesterday. And then I put a couple of elements again. This one's a little bit different, so I've put a little bow on this one. And that was a tag, but I've cut it down because I thought the roses went nicely with the pattern behind. And then this one again, some fabric, a bit of lace, and then these 3 elements from the kit. So I think they look quite nice. And of course, they are all also backed with coffee dye paper, so they'll make ideal journaling cards as well. Okay, another suggestion for you for ideas of things that you can do with playing cards. I have taken some of the miniature playing cards, and I've taken a small piece of vintage quilt, and if you check out the next video you'll see how I've done that. Go. I hope you found that helpful. It's a little bit fiddly. I fumbled about a little bit with it because well, it's just difficult sometimes working with these little rings, isn't it? But basically the idea is you'll hang that on the top of the page by the bulb pin, and then this will dangle down then onto the page below, and I think that looks quite cool. So we'll see how that looks when it's in a book. And then obviously I've used one of these little clamps then just to go onto the top of the quilt, and there's a little rose emblem then in the centre. The other one I've simply added a bulb pin and a little rose charm on there, and then when I attach that then into the page, I can use the other hook to hang it then. So just a couple of little ideas, different things that you can do. So thank you for your suggestions. We will be looking at some more of them over the next few days, and probably bringing you a few more of these short little tutorials. And I hope that they help, and I hope that they give you some inspiration with your craft along if you're doing Alice with us as well. So have a great day, and we will be back with you very soon. Bye now.